Hello and welcome to CRM Reptile. Today we're going to do something a bit unusual. I'm going to remove a green mamba from a tube to a bucket to make the transport easier to his final destination. It is going to a venom program where the snake will be kept in captivity and milked continuously for making anti-venom purposes. So stay tuned. In a little bit, I'll bring the boxes and the tube out, and I'll move the snake from the one container to another container for the transport purposes, and also to make the snake feel a bit more comfortable than to be cooped up in a pipe the whole time. Thanks. All right, like I said, I'm going to take the green mamba out from the pipe or from the tube, and we're going to put him into a little bit of bigger container so that he can move a little bit more freely. Until I transport him to his final destination, either in the next day or two. He's going to go to the facility where we keep them, and then once we've got enough, we send him to the facility where they are getting milked. So yeah, let's get this almost 2 meter green mamba out of the tube and then into the container, and well, like I said, in the next day or two we'll move him to the facility for milking and stuff. Always very important for us, we use our tongues. Currently is curled up in a ball right at the bottom of the pipe. So I'm going to move very slowly. I don't want to frighten him, and then secure him and then put him inside the container in the tub, and then move it from there. Secure the tub and then make sure he can't escape from there. It is a highly venomous snake. It is the green mamba. Yeah. So let's see if we do the green mamba tango today. So as you people can see, the green mamba is not a very aggressive snake, unlike the black mamba. The only thing he wants to do is basically escape and go off and be free. That's their main goal, is to be free. They're actually more scared of us as humans than what we are actually of them. So I just continuously stay out of his line of sight, move around just to bring down some of that energy of him. But it's a beautiful male green mamba. So we'll keep him there like this, and just to wear out some of his energy before I can bring him closer for a nice capture shot on the camera for you guys. And then tub him, and then we'll have the rest of it. So he's actually looking for a hiding place where he can go in and feel safe, and when everything calms down, he'll come out and then go his separate way, and I'll go my separate way. But today we're not going to let him do that. Let me see if we can calm down a bit, bring him closer to the camera for you guys, and there you can have a look. A nice, beautiful green mamba. One of Africa's most deadliest snakes, the green mamba. Let's put him in the tub. There's basically newspaper and stuff like that. So he's going to now go into the tub, go and curl himself up in a ball underneath the newspaper, because that's where he'll feel safe. And yeah, we'll let him be feeling safe in there. I'll close it, secure it, and just to make double sure, I'll also strap it with something to make sure it's secured properly and he can't escape. There, and there we go. No mess, no fuss, no incidents, and we always keep it safe. So kids out there, if you see people like us handling snakes, don't try and imitate, because they are dangerous snakes, especially the green mamba. It can kill you once you get bitten by it, if you don't get to hospital fast enough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Please also like, share, follow, subscribe, and it all depends on what platform you are. Enjoy.